So right now I'm pretty happy that I did put that fern coal there. I plunged that for about a good half hour, 45 minutes, and I took out some serious amount of hair, but I ended up going out and I had bought a new drum tape, drum auger. The old one was a little beat up, so the rigid one, and how they work, it's there's a little bolt there, you just tighten that up. You feed some of your cable out, tighten it up, and it's just a matter of spinning it like so. I've already pulled back about probably 7 or 8 feet, and now I'm just going to pull back the remainder. And when I do this, I actually run the hot water in the tub now that it's clear, just to clean off the tape. And we'll see what we come up with. It's in a pretty good spot. The other thing about the drum auger that this size in particular, is that it went right around the 1.5 P-trap down below, and without a problem whatsoever. So that's a good thing. And you should see what we have here. There you go. There's just a lot of hair, and apparently it's the woman in the house who owned it. But we'll clean that up and slide that fern coal back down there, just like so. Tighten that up. But those drum augers are great because they will allow you to go around an 1.5 trap and get the job straightened away. So there you go. Hope everybody's having a good day. Thanks for watching.